Hello YouTube and welcome to a short Techsloth video with a brand new Apple iPhone XS Max. Just in case you have to bring it back to Apple, you have to send it back to Apple, something is wrong with this device, or you're already selling it, you're giving it away. These are the steps that you have to do in case you want to delete your stuff and reset the device, which I definitely recommend. First thing, hit Settings. Second step, hit into General. Then scroll all the way down until you see Reset. And there, be carefully, you have to hit Erase all content and settings. Not just only settings, no, all the contents. So this makes sure that you're deleting everything that's on the device. Keep in mind, your online accounts, Facebook, Twitter, all those things will still be there. You won't delete those accounts. You will only disabling the connection from this device to those accounts, so no other person has access to them. So then, finish updating and erase. No, I just want to erase now. This is advice. First step, do a backup of your device. Then enter your passcode. Confirm again, erase phone. Confirm again. And then enter your Apple ID password. And now the device will reboot a couple of times. And then you're back in the setup screen. Now push the volume up button and the on off button at the same time. Push it, keep pushing it. There you got your shut off slider, so slide to power off. Then the device will power down, but you are not yet done. Don't forget about your SIM card. Grab your SIM card tray tool. Your SIM slot is located on the right side of the device. Push in and then pull out the SIM card tray. Put your SIM card away and slide the SIM card back in, and now you're ready to box the device, sell the device, send it back to Apple, or whatever you would like to do with this. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!